Okay. Hi, Benny. We're out here, and it is, yes, October 29th. And we are getting a very cold and windy Halloween blizzard. But Ben doesn't mind. You want to go for a tour, Ben? Let's go see how bad the snow is. Let's see. It's very windy, so it's kind of icy there. Weird looking. Very windy, so it's more drifts than anything. Coming? Holy cow. No signs of letting up either. It's been snowing for 2 days. Very crunchy. Kind of a wet snow. There's some decent snowbanks over here. So I guess that's probably a good measure of how much snow we've gotten right there. Yikes. Benjamin doesn't quite know what to do with snow yet. Still snowing hard. Come on over here, Benny. Now we're in the front. Good boy. And as you can see, decent amount of snow here. Benny! Seems like it's getting warm. Some melting icicles. Wow, got a snowbank over there. Still snowing hard. Ben, as you can see, does not like his gloves. Cold, huh, Ben? The snow's cold. Come on over. Wow, a lot of snow. I'm not looking forward to shoveling this. Hopefully old Steve will bust out a snowblower for the neighborhood again. Not bad for October. My goodness. Ooh. Don't you want to come out, Ben? Play in the snow?